Most people never think about plumbing until something quits working. Today we're taking you behind the walls and beneath the concrete to show you how a commercial plumbing system is really built. Every commercial plumbing project starts underground. Before a single yard of concrete can be poured, every sanitary sewer line must be installed in its exact location. Every pipe is measured from the building control lines, and every vertical pipe you see sticking out of the ground represents a future plumbing fixture, floor drain, or plumbing vent. Years ago, this work was done almost entirely by hand with shovels. Today, our mini excavator allows us to complete in hours what once took days. There is absolutely no room for error. Once the concrete slab is poured, relocating a pipe becomes extremely difficult, expensive, and can delay the entire project. That's why we believe the underground phase is one of the most critical parts of any commercial plumbing installation. That's why every measurement matters. Get it right the first time. With the building structure in place, we begin installing the overhead domestic water system. Suspended from the structural steel are the domestic cold water main, the hot water main, and the hot water return line. Every hanger is carefully spaced and securely fastened to support the piping for the life of the building. Most people will never see this work once the ceiling is finished, but it's one of the most important parts of a quality commercial plumbing installation. This is the above-ground drainage system serving one of the church's public gang restrooms. Every waste line and vent must be installed before drywall is hung. Unlike water piping, gravity does all the work here, so maintaining the proper grade is essential for a trouble-free plumbing system. With the drainage and vent system complete, we can begin the in-wall plumbing rough-in. These photos show the domestic cold water, hot water, sanitary drainage, and vent piping before the walls are enclosed. Here's something many people don't know. The commercial kitchen requires 140-degree hot water for proper dishwashing and sanitation, but public lavatories are limited to a maximum of 110 degrees Fahrenheit to help prevent scalding. So how do we supply both temperatures from the same water heater? Pause the video and see if you can spot where each lavatory mixing valve was roughed in. Every public lavatory has its own mixing valve. Each valve blends the 140-degree hot water with cold water, delivering safe 110-degree water to the faucet while allowing the kitchen to receive the full 140-degree hot water it requires. The owner requested only one roof penetration for the entire building's plumbing vent system. That presented a unique challenge. Every plumbing fixture in the building still had to be properly vented while complying with the plumbing code. By carefully designing the vent system, we were able to combine the entire building into a single 3-inch vent through the roof, meeting the owner's request without compromising system performance. After months of underground work, rough-ins, inspections, and finish trim, the plumbing system is finally complete. These finished fixtures include commercial water closets, public lavatories, urinals, and an ADA-compliant drinking fountain, all installed and ready for service. Most people only ever see the finished fixtures. What they don't see are the hundreds of hours of planning, layout, and installation hidden behind the walls, above the ceilings, and beneath the concrete. Quality commercial plumbing isn't just about what you can see, it's about everything you can't. Here's the completed lavatory with the finished mixing valve installation. Go back to the rough-in photos. Did you find it? That's how we safely deliver 110-degree water to every public lavatory while supplying 140-degree water to the commercial kitchen from the same water heater. And here's the completed commercial kitchen. Stainless steel work sinks, prep sink, island sink, floor drains, and the hot water system that serves the entire facility. From the first trench in the dirt to the final fixture installation, every inch of this plumbing system was installed by DP&M Services Incorporated. For nearly 25 years, DP&M Services has specialized in commercial and multifamily plumbing, one project at a time. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more commercial plumbing projects like this, please consider subscribing. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.